Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a world of biryani. That's right, the king of all dishes, the crowd favorite, and let's be honest, the one dish no one will ever say no to. From the perfectly spiced masala to fragrant rice, we are spilling all the secrets. So let's get cooking. Take your whole spices, whichever ones you like. I've taken cinnamon, jeera, bay leaves, and cloves. 2 sliced onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, half a cup of curd, little pudhina, little coriander leaves, half a lime, about 400 grams of mutton, and 2 glasses of basmati rice washed and soaked. Heat some oil in a cooker or a pressure pan, whichever one you like. Add the whole spices, let it warm up. I add them before the oil is hot. Now add in the sliced onions. Saute them for a bit. You don't necessarily have to make it brown. Then add in your ginger garlic paste. Fry them very nicely in the oil. And now we will add chili powder. We are adding this early so we can get that orangish color into the oil so it looks nice. Once that's done, give it a good mix. We are not adding too much oil, so sprinkle a little bit of water and it will look a little pasty like this. To this we will add chopped tomatoes. You can see how I've kept the tomatoes a little chunky because I like it when the masala clumps up and I get a good bite of it when I'm having the biryani. It's just too good. Add in your coriander leaves, pudhina, and give it a good mix. Add in turmeric powder. Add in some salt and saute them for a bit. It doesn't have to fry a lot, it's alright if it is still fresh in the pan. Now we'll add in some curd. Give that a good mix. I've sprinkled a little more water and you can see how they've all come together. This will be the right time to add your meat. I'm using about 400 grams of mutton. Biryani is mutton biryani. Let's not argue on that. Squeeze half a lime into it. Once they are all combined together, add in some water, bring it to a boil, and then cover it and cook it for 6 to 7 whistles. It depends on the mutton. Sometimes I cook it for even 10 whistles. Now that's what it looks like once it's cooked. You can see how the gravy looks so delicious. It's just perfect for biryani right now. I'll show you what the meat looks like. It's tender, it's soft. Yeah. Perfect. Now bring this to a boil again or heat it up well enough and add in your soaked basmati rice along with the water because we are not going to add any more water. I'll show you exactly how much water to add. Add in your salt according to the rice and spread the rice properly so the salt spreads evenly. and the water just about covers the rice. That's how much water you'll need. Yeah, you see? That's just how much water you need to cook biryani. Now cook the biryani on medium-low flame with the whistle on for about 20 minutes. You'll have to place the cooker on a pan so it doesn't come in direct contact with the heat, and cook it for 20 minutes. There's a chance the whistle will never go off, but it's still perfect. Look at that. Now once the biryani is done, let it sit for at least 15 minutes. You will see how the rice is separate, it doesn't clump up. At the same time, it's not oily, it's just perfect. And that's it. Biryani is done. Now it's your turn to rock it. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.